Hello friends, happy holiday. Welcome back to my channel. It's Marilyn here. I have this Christmas layout that I made with the December limited edition kit. It is the photo that I'm going to use. It's from Unsplash and I love it, so pretty. And then I have two of the paper from the December kit. I love this paper with the trucks, but I'm going to use the back side of the paper, and the same with this. I'm going to use this part of this paper as the base in the under part to cut a star from here. I trace this star in a pattern paper. I just draw the star and cut it, and now I am tracing the same star in this side of the paper because I want to reserve the rest of the paper for a future project. I'm going to cut it, and then I just sew around the star with white thread. You can see here, and it's so lovely. All the white stitches around the star, it gives this lovely texture, and I don't know, stand out the star. Now I'm tracing only the areas that I'm going to place a little of paste here and here. And I'm going to use this lovely stencil that comes in the December limited edition kit with the poinsettias, and I am playing with the stencil just to put the design in the way that I like behind the start. Okay, let me show you. This is from Pentart, the stencil paste in gold color. I love the finish of this paste. Once it's dry, you will see it is like a satin finish. Okay, here I am applying now the paste, the stencil paste, in the areas that I made the mark with the pencil, as you see, and I am playing here, and I'm going to add a little of texture in this corner. It is so bright, the paste, and so lovely. I'm going to put the paper to let it dry, and now I am tracing again the star in a white cardstock, and I made the number 1 just to align the star later correctly. Here is my forever scissor, my scallop scissors from Scrapbooking 101 and I am cutting around the star just to let all the scallop look how lovely it looks now. And I also add cardboard behind the stars. Okay, here I am inking all the edges with this Distress Oxide ink just to give this shadow and a little more of depth once I adhere all the pieces. Okay, I checked that is with the number 1 in the top, and now I'm going to attach both stars together. Okay, I'm aligning this well, and now I'm going to adhere the star here to the paper. I add enough of the glue just in case, and now I am adhering this, and look how lovely looks all the stencil behind the stars. Okay, this piece has a little hole, and I want to use the baker twine in red and white that goes perfect with the Christmas and with some of the elements that I'm going to show you later from the collection. And I'm going to put the cord through the hole here. And this piece, this frame, is from the laser cuts that you receive from the same collections in the kit. And I place it here, something like that. And here are all the pieces. Some of these pieces are from, like this one, from the laser cut, other from the ephemera package, and some of the flower I cut out from the papers. And I'm going to start to make the flower cluster here, but I think it's a little difficult with the frame moving at the same time and the photo, so I decided that I'm going to attach all these pieces. Yes, I'm going to attach the frame direct to the cardboard, and then I'm going to add 3D foam tape behind the photo, and then I'm going to attach this, and once everything is adhered, it's more it's easier for me to put the rest of the elements. And look how it looks. So cute with the baker twine. Okay, now I'm going to start to place all the elements here in these sides. I am playing with the flowers, the truck. I just love this piece. And these are the Prima flowers, the Poinsettia Prima flowers that comes in the kit. You receive 3 packages of flowers in the kit, and these are from one of them from Prima. Here with the poinsettias, I just place one over the other, and in that way I give a little of dimension. And I'm also going to use 3D foam tape between the 2 layers of the poinsettias to give more realistic look. Here is one of the tags. I'm going to cut the top part because it was too long and I need it shorter. So I'm going to place this here between the flowers and the Christmas wishes. That is my title. I'm going to place it over the tag. And look this piece. I love this. It's like a bow in paper, but it looks so nice. I just love this from this collection. And here I'm going to place with the other corner. I want to create like a small flower cluster here in this section, but I need to put something green. And look, these stamps. I adore these stamps. I'm going to place one, the white here behind the flowers in the side, and then I need the leaves. So I'm going to remove this from the laser sheets, and then I'm going to fold all the leaves. And I think that when you fold the papers in that way, the leaves, it looks more natural. So for that reason, I prefer to fold everything that is in paper. If not, I use the stylus and give a little of shape to the flowers, but always I need to do something with the papers because I don't like that they look completely flat. Okay, I'm going to attach all this. Okay, my friends, check here now. I did some changes that I'm going to explain you. Look, I'm going to attach this here later. First, I cut these doilies that you see here and in the top. These are a die from my stuff from Dress My Craft, and I put it behind the title, and I think that I highlight more now the Christmas wishes in this way. This piece, I love it. Let me show you. It is from the laser sheets. And I love that you can fold it, and it looks so natural. If you see it closer, it looks you will think that it's a twine instead of paper. And I am playing with the rest of the bow here. I just attach only the center of the bow and play with the rest. Here I'm going to adhere this to the bottom of the photo, and I love how it looks. Now I'm going to add some pearls here and there. I also add off camera the bottom that you see close to the 2 trucks. These are from the same collection. I'm not sure it is from the Ephemera of the laser cut, but it comes in the kit. Now I'm going to use the metallic watercolor from Prima, and I want to add some gold splatters on the background. I cover the photo, and now I'm going to give the paint splatters here on the back. And once it's dry, it looks so pretty because it is like a glitter paint splatter on the background. I wish that you can see it in person because it looks completely different to the photos. But I'm going to show you at the end of the video. You will see a short video showing you all the details of the page. Okay, once I give enough of this stencil work, now I'm going to let it dry and add some more texture. I'm going to add a few of sequins here and there. I'm going to place the sequin first, and then I'm going to adhere this with the matte multi-medium from Ranger. Here I am using this adhesive that I loved because it's super strong and stay all that you put with this adhesive in place. Okay, once I add all these sequins, I want to add also, instead of give white paint splatters, I'm going to use this time the Nubo, this one that is white. I don't remember exactly the name of these, but I'm going to show you soon the photo. And I'm adding some, making some of these spot here and there dots with this, that once it's dry, and let me tell you that it's dry fast. I think it took less than 20 minutes to dry. And I am putting enough because I want to simulate a little of snow or something like that. That is the reason that I use the Nubo crystal. And here is the final result. Take a look. I am in love with the final result. It looks so pretty, very festive, and perfect for Christmas. I hope that this inspired you to create one for your Christmas photo. And if you like this video, please bring me a thumbs up and let me a comment down below about what do you think about this layout. And my friend, I hope you have a wonderful Merry Christmas, and wishing you and your family all the best. Here are 2 more videos that maybe you are interested, and I come back soon with a new video tutorial. Nos vemos. Bye bye.